Greetings to my Canna Curious clan. I've got another unboxing for you, so I hope you'll enjoy it today. It's from a company called MyJane, and just so you know, I am an affiliate for it. So anything you might see in here, I will be working towards participating. It is the SheSurvival Box. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. Here we go. There we are. Yay. Okay, here we go. We've got our MyJane SheSurvival Box, which I'm super looking forward to. Cute box with handles, well done. I love it. It's got a nice security seal on it, so you know nobody's been in it before. So here we go. We're gonna slice that seal. Zoop. And off we go. There we go. All right. Ta-da. Oh, I just love the ribbons. Who doesn't love ribbons? And ta-da. All sorts of goodies in here. Okay, first thing we see is women helping women feel better. There we go. Yes, this is the SheSurvival Box by MyJane. Essentials for women needing a little laughter and a wellness break. Now, besides just the cards I see right at the top, the box smells wonderful. Just all the good scents coming out of it. So right away, I'm already like, show me more. All right, so ooh, oh my gosh, we got lots of goodies in here. Okay, first one, keep calm. All right, when you're feeling stressed and about to lose your calm, breathe in this Canna pouch and you'll instantly feel like you're at the spa. Breathe deep and keep calm. You've got it. Oh my gosh. Alleviate. Take a CBD gel capsule to alleviate your muscle pain, anxious thoughts, and to help you sleep. Soon you'll be doing splits and handstands. Well, I don't know if I'll be doing splits or handstands. Telling us, you know, the SheSurvival Box by MyJane. Love it. Essentials. I would certainly welcome MyJane's assistance in helping me get to a split or a handstand. So, woohoo! All right, let's see some of these goodies here. And here is my full spectrum CBD. Here we go. Relief 15 milligram high potency 2 capsules. So that's a big whopper one. So let me see, full spectrum, nano encapsulated, phytocannabinoid, rich hemp extract, food starch modified, organic acacia fiber, and xanthan gum. So there you go, lots of good stuff in here. So it's 50 milligrams per packet, but actually 25 per capsule. So there you go. All right, ooh, this I've been waiting for. I heard the interview with the women that make this. This is the mantra mask. Love them. Hemp CBD repair facial sheet mask with CBD, chamomile, MSM, and all these vitamins, B3, B5, C, and E. And they say the beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. I am going to definitely try this week, and when I do, I will share it with you because I need some good self-care on my face this week. So yes, this is gonna happen. Here's the back. Love Mantra Mask. This is actually on a podcast that MyJane has put up on their website, so go to myjane.com, look up on their podcast for the Mantra Mask interview and everything. Loved it. It was so great to listen to. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, here it is, the Canna inhalation bag. Oh my gosh, I gotta try this right now. All right, so this is the one by Canna Essentials. Okay, and it's THT. It's Theraherb terpenes, aromatic terpenes found in hemp, lavender, and chamomile. And the herbalist in me knows already lavender and chamomile are so soothing. So what we will do is breathe the moment. Be calm, balanced, and be well. Aromatic terpenes found in hemp, lavender, and chamomile help revitalize your body, mind, and spirit. On the go relief. So press to nose, take deep breaths, and enjoy an aromatic boost. Breathe only, do not ingest. These are not for eating. Oh my goodness. Got a stressful thing you're going to? Pop this in your pocket. Pop this, okay. We all like to stuff things in our sleeves and our bras, you name it. Oh, get a nice calming boost. Oh my gosh, love this. definitely taking that places and stashing it for myself. Oh, yay. Who needs a little champagne in their life? Raspberry champagne, nano enhanced full spectrum CBD. Oh, love this. Lip balm, 25 milligrams of CBD in this lovely MyJane. There we go. CBD. Gotta love that. Oh my gosh, there's such cute things. Okay, so this is the little write-up about the MyJane lip balm. Okay, exhale. Raised your voice today and give your lips a well-deserved break with this signature champagne and raspberry CBD lip balm from MyJane. Richly hydrating formula of champagne and raspberry. Apply this nourishing nano CBD lip balm liberally to your lips. Oh, looking forward to that one. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh, here's something we all need for self-care. A nice Kush Queen bath bomb, a nourishing bath bomb, relax for mood. So yes, this is another relaxing one because of course we are in the SheSurvival Box. And okay, so this has 10 milligrams of pure CBD. So it's got organic lavender, chamomile, frankincense, and essential oils. So again, here we go. We're carrying through those other essential oils, lavender and chamomile, just like we had in our little pouch. You don't have time to go like do a whole bath or something like that, fill up the tub, do a foot soak. Oh my gosh, we're on our feet all day. Those of you who are rushing around, some of our essential workers out there, you are on your feet all day, whether you're a cashier, RN, oh my gosh, you're doing Instacart for people. Take time to self-care. Oh my gosh, do a bath bomb just for your feet. Massage them. Oh my gosh, put some of those like glass marbles in the bottom and like rub your feet on the bottom of it. Go for it. You can do this. Do that bath bomb, even just with your feet. You're gonna feel a ton different. And when you wake up the next morning, your feet are gonna love you. You know, think about choosing CBD for yourself. Think about self-care. Think about ways that you can do this yourself. Well, and if you're looking for ways to order, look it. How do I order? Here's my go ahead, yeah, my affiliate link. So go to myjane.com. You're gonna use that ref, and then my affiliate code is 168. So yeah, get that whole thing in there, myjane.com, that ref in there, those forward slashes, and then 168. That is me. I get a little bit back, yep, but it also gives you the license to take care of yourself, your self-care. We all need that. We all need to take those little minutes, just like that little inhalation part. Those moments we need. The facial mask. Give yourself permission to do that for an hour at night and just take that in, relax, put some good tunes on, ignore the world, do that facial mask, give yourself the time. Again, right here, look at, we've got our URL for my link for your special deals on my affiliate link. So please give it a shot. Go take a peek. You know, so please go right here and take a look and see what you can find. Take a look at the SheSurvival Box. There it is. Love it. I'm so looking forward to using that inhalation pack today because I've got a stressful day yet waiting for me at my regular job. So come on, take a peek. Love it.